Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello dyan sa mga fans ni Ken or Philip. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok sa aking channel ngayon. Ito talaga ang video clip na kung saan pwede pang model ng close-up ng ngipin. Pwede pang commercial ads kasama si Ken or Philip. Talagang kumukutikotitap ang kanyang mga ngipin.
Yeah. They say life will bring discomfort, and I discovered we all just suffer, cause no one feels that bad. And it comes from one another, we hurt each other just like a lover, and don't think twice about that. Yeah, and I feel like something's bad, but hell, I'm used to that.